Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook sizzle steak. To begin, select thin-cut steaks, ideally about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick, as this ensures rapid cooking. Before seasoning, it is crucial to pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step is vital for achieving a beautiful, crispy sear. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the pan. Now let's get that signature sizzle. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over high heat until it is smoking. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed, ensuring it shimmers. Cook your steaks for just 1 to 2 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare, adjusting slightly for your preferred doneness. This quick cook time locks in flavor. Once cooked, transfer your sizzle steaks to a cutting board and allow them to rest for at least 5 minutes. This resting period is incredibly important, as it permits the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, guaranteeing a more tender and flavorful bite. Finally, slice the steak against the grain into thin strips. This technique further enhances its tenderness and makes every piece a delight. To elevate your sizzle steak, consider adding aromatics like minced garlic or fresh herbs to the pan during the final 30 seconds of cooking for an extra layer of flavor. You can also deglaze the pan with a splash of broth or wine to create a quick, flavorful pan sauce. Serve your perfectly cooked sizzle steak immediately with your favorite accompaniments, like roasted vegetables or creamy mashed potatoes, for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.